XRP is expected to edge down 1.5% tomorrow, 30 rates notes. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. At this point, XRP has seen a 1.3% drop today and is priced close to $1.436. Time to see what experts are expecting. Crypto prediction sees the value moving to $1.455 by May 15, about 1.2% above current value. XRP is likely to approach $1.4516 per Gulf Capital Collector, showing a rise of about 0.9%. According to Traders Union, it might be heading lower toward $1.4235, a decline estimated at 1%. A different forecast by 30 rates expects XRP might move down to $1.4167, about 1.5% below now. Finally, digital coin price sees the value moving down to $1.4045 by tomorrow, 2.3% under now. This is the top profit forecast. 5 predictions down. Let's keep going. These are the key takeaways from all 5 forecasts. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decline of 2.3% and a gain of 1.2%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, digital coin price projects the highest return with 2.3% gain in value by May 15. To sum it up, you could net between $9 and $23 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Gulf Capital Collector's forecast suggests the most probable outcome, with a 72.4% chance of success. By assembling the 5 forecasts, I've presented a unified consensus outlook. The average forecast keeps XRP around $1.4303. Let's review the details step by step. The consensus picture places the price 0.5% below current levels. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 0.5%. A 1,000 position could show potential growth of $5. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 76.2%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. A move higher is suggested by crypto predictions. The direction outlined by Gulf Capital Collector also points toward further gains. According to Traders Union, the short-term direction also points upward. A bearish stance is reflected in 30 rates' forecast. Meanwhile, digital coin price emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Collectively, the forecasts show XRP with upside momentum. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for XRP. 5 forecasts for tomorrow were published 2 days ago. Tomorrow has come and gone, so here's how they performed. By the end of trading, the price was $1.4272. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. If accuracy decides, then digital coin price was the most on point. Let's put everything in order. 3 forecasts ended up inside the daily candle. As for ROI, several analysts finished in profit, with digital coin price leading at 0.4%. Moving on to the performance summary, a clear way to compare how each analyst did. Also worth noting, digital coin price had a forecast probability of 76.1%, accuracy and 0.4% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and XRP. XRP is not the leader today, as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to AVE with 2.3%. This comparison features XRP with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. If timing matters to you, make sure you're subscribed. See you around.